My name is Deborah Allen. I work for the Bayer Network for Positive Health, BAMP, out of San Francisco State University, the Health Equity Institute. Our goals are to link HIV positive people that are out of care back into health care. Our network agencies are the San Francisco AIDS Foundation, Forensic AIDS Project, Center Force out of San Quentin Prison, Mission Neighborhood Health Center, Women Organized to Respond to Life-Threatening Diseases, Street Level Health Project, Aid for AIDS Africa, the Alameda County Office of AIDS, San Francisco Department of Public Health. Our agency is out there making a difference, helping people linked to HIV care. I would like to meet with you wherever you feel comfortable and safe to meet, or you're welcome to meet me at my office at San Francisco State University, 835 Market Street. For clients that keep their appointment with us, we offer them a $10 gift card at Safeway, a Banff backpack that comes with a journal, a pen, and a stress ball. For when those times when you're stressing, you could squeeze your little stress ball for relief. What I like most about this work is being able to help someone. What I realized that I'm a people person and I love just, working with people. I love listening and just being able to assist them with whatever need that they might have. I've been doing this work for many years. I started off as a community health outreach worker working in Bayview, Hunters Point, going out doing health education and prevention around HIV and also hepatitis A, B, and C. And just being able to be out there in the community, talking to people, meeting them where they're at is just a great feeling for me because I feel like that I'm out there making a difference and I'm not prejudging, but just being able to help people that's always been something that I love to do.